So basically, I have been in organization for 8 to 9 years now, and the company has been uh, in being. We have been in the same business for 30 years. We have been continuing to not only in terms of roadblock, it was also about. It also came down to sustainability. Now that I had been around for about 8 to 10 years, so the claim that if we need to sustain and if everybody's expectations were also increasing in our organization, so how to how to make sure that both the ends meet and in a good way, in a sustainable way. So that was a reason why we first of all felt that we needed help from outside. And yeah, and also to name a few things, one was obviously related to definition of the processes in the company. This is really what we thought at that time in the beginning of before bets came into the picture. What we thought was it was the organizational structure, the overall structure of the company, related to the way things happen in the company, the processes, and there was a big question mark in terms of the financial management also, to name a few. But we had a lot of things that we knew weren't going right, and together all this made us realize that made us feel that it was necessary. That was a necessity, basically.
So, as you now you have through this answer, you have told the necessity of the bets or association. Why did you go for bets? But then, can you pinpoint the objectives before? I mean, for what you hired the consultancy from bets? Bets, the objectives.
The objective, if I have to name it in a very brief way, it was growth and sustainability.
Acha. So let's talk about the process of bets. So how you find bets process and its effectiveness?
The process of bets is extremely effective from many points of view, I would say. Coming basically after getting bets, and the way they have guided us through this process, I would say it has firstly we have found it that it has been done in a very comfortable way. All of us have they have taken all of us along. Now our company also has many people from many diverse levels doing diverse roles in our organization. But ekatra घेऊन they have gone. So I would say in that way it has been very effective. Effectiveness, if I have to talk about, then basically, definitely, firstly, finding what were the issues. So identification of the weak areas, that was obviously done very effectively. And followed by that, obviously, followed by that, to chalk out a map or a way in which we are going to bring about this change. Also done and was done in a way that it was convincing to all of us. By all of us, now I'm saying the owners, the top level people, and the just under the top level people are the people who have felt involved, who have understood the meaning of this, and I would say that the effectiveness has been good. But I feel that the people who are much down the cadre, the people who are working in the manufacturing department, or the younger kids who are in the service department म्हणा, हे जे लोक जे आहेत त्यांना कदाचित हे चालू आहे इन द बॅकग्राऊंड हे त्यांना व्यवस्थित माहिती आहे. त्यांना जेवढं इन्व्हॉल्व करायला पाहिजे तेवढं करून घेतलं आपण ऍट दिस लेवल. पण एंटायरली इफेक्टिव्हनेस आय गेस इन देअर आईज इज प्रॉब्ली नॉट देअर बिकॉज दे विल बी when they see the results.
Right, exactly.
रिझल्ट जोपर्यंत 100% आपल्याला दिसत नाही तोपर्यंत तेवढी आय गेस त्यांना फोरसाइट किंवा विजन नाहीये.
बरोबर, व्हेरी ट्रू.
Yeah, so that's the thing. But otherwise, effectiveness has been very good.
राईट. सो आताचा जो आपण प्रश्न विचारते हा आपल्या क्वेश्चनर मध्ये नाहीये, हा मला आता जस्ट क्लिक झाला. सो यू आर बीइंग अ सक्सेसर ऑफ दिस कंपनी. तर तुमच्या दृष्टीने आता कारण बेट्सची जी टीम आहे त्यांचा विजडम, देर इज अ लिटल बिट जनरेशन गॅप, राईट? हे जे हँड होल्डिंग आहे बेट्सचं, तर तुमच्या ह्या जनरेशन गॅप ला ब्रिज करताना तुम्हाला कसं फायद्याचं ठरतंय?
I don't see that there has been any I would say a problem किंवा तसं काही as such मला feel झालेली नाही अजिबात.
ओके, दॅट्स ग्रेट.
Majorly we have interacted with Bagnikar sir and Gune sir in the bets team mostly. They have been visiting. They both are extremely vocal about whatever they feel. That's the best part. So the fact that they are very vocal, both of them are very emotive in terms of whatever they are expressing or the way they react when you are trying to put across a point to them is open. त्यामुळे because of that, as the communication happens, as so much communication happens, basically a lot of time is spent talking, I would say. And त्याच्यामुळे I don't feel any gap in terms of this thing. And also, never has a point been put across or never has a point been bulldozed in any way to my age or my level or to Achal sir, I would say, or anybody else. Always come with sufficient backing, understanding, and if there is a reason because of which they don't want to explain it completely, they would also. And Tamara nahi सांगायचं completely. Like that. That is also very nice.
या आधी आपल्या कंपनीमध्ये कोणी कधी कन्सल्टेशनसाठी आलं आहे का, ट्रेनिंग आणि याच्यासाठी? आणि जर आलं असेल तर व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्शिएटर और युनिकनेस विच यू फाइंड इन बेट्स?
ओके, ह्याच्या आधी आमच्या आय विल नॉट से कन्सल्टिंग किंवा ह्याच्याकरता, बट ब्रीफली वी हॅड दिलीप पाटील, who is Mr. Dilip Patil, who is Achal sir's friend and who is ex-Crompton Greaves also, has briefly visited us and taken one-day sessions, sort of, once or twice over the last 10 years. I will not say him being a very senior level person and a very powerful person, he tried to do his bit in comprising it all in one day. But frankly speaking, जोपर्यंत these things don't linger in your mind and you don't think, the whole thing is that generally the 3-day sessions that happen with bets, and there is a big gap of 1 or 2 weeks. Right. You are expected to physically do something in the form of a document or talk to people and ensure that something is happening, or otherwise you're just supposed to think of it. And so the thinking that happens really makes you reflect on the problem statement in a better way. I will not say that आधीच्या ज्या गोष्टी आल्या they were very good but they were not effective. So in terms of how it is delivered to us and the sheer amount of involvement that has been happened over the last 8 months itself is the difference.
If you have to mention the uniqueness of bets in 2 to 3 qualities or words, how will you define that?
So this is specifically related to what I feel because of the field I'm from, test and measurement. The most important thing that is unique and that has really worked for us is the domain knowledge. Because bets has been from the electrical industry and our core business of our company has been supplying test systems to the electrical industry, that has been the biggest benefiting factor. The thing would be the fact that we have known the bets team in a different form. So there was some level of familiarity that also helps in building trust. That was there. I would say in a different way, I would also say the bets team has seen our organization as a third person for a while during the Crompton Greaves time. So that has also resulted in them having a better perspective of how we are outside. Otherwise, it will solely be dependent on what we make them perceive of us. We have been truly being caught candidly. So in terms of uniqueness, these are the things. And second, I will obviously say that Alisa mentioned it is the way they take everybody together and move. It is the way, it's the pace at which they do it, which is very right, and the way they take everybody ahead and move. And the third last thing that I want to mention is that they have they cover 2 aspects of everything for that matter, a hard aspect and a soft aspect. So a hard aspect and a soft aspect is necessary when you try to deal with anything, because effectively all of us are humans in business. That is a very important part. And sometimes, it would click to a certain human being, and some aspect would probably be appreciated by somebody more. So they deliver everything, both, considering both the things. It becomes more effective. I would say that is also a unique thing. So these things, yes.
बेट्सच्या ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेसचा जो ऍक्सेप्टन्स आहे तो तुमच्या अक्रॉस द बेसिकली मग आता यंगर जनरेशन जी तुमच्या इथे काम करते आहे त्यांच्यापर्यंत ऍक्सेप्टन्स लेवल कसा आहे ट्रेनिंगचा?
यंगर जनरेशन जी आमच्या इकडे आहे, जी बेट्स ऍक्टिव्हली इन्व्हॉल्ड आहे, तसं त्या बेट्स बद्दल ऍक्सेप्टन्स आहे व्हेरी मच, because of the I would say because of the number of areas that we are touching upon in this entire business. Then I say that we are trying to do something that is really deep rooted level पर्यंत जाऊन आपण चेंजेस करतोय. त्यामुळे that acceptance is definitely there. And unfortunately what has happened, amcha younger generation probably is also slightly influenced by the older generation in the company.
Okay.
That is the reason why they are probably not able to. That's why probably they are also waiting a little for the results. Since we are 3/4 or more than half across the process, once things start seen, the change starts being seen, ते जास्त त्यांचं confirm होईल. But acceptance in terms of whatever they are doing is very much there, but I guess आधी जसं म्हणाल होतं तसं त्यांना असं थोडेसे रिझल्ट्स बघायचे.
वेल, हा तर आपला शेवटचा ऍज अन इंटरव्ह्यू मधला प्रश्न होता. आता एक असं आहे की युअर कमेंट्स अदर दॅन अबाव, म्हणजे आता आपण क्वेश्चन्स आन्सर्स जे काय आपण लिहिले त्याच्यातलं आपण बोलतो, पण अदर दॅन दीज क्वेश्चन्स व्हॉट डू यू वॉन्ट टू से अबाउट बेट्स?
There is not actually much to say. I think I have covered most of what I wanted to express. I would only want to say is that I have, again, I would want to emphasize on only one thing is the style that bets, they have a 3-point method of dealing, identifying a problem, then they work on it, आणि त्याच्यानंतर you will have the implementation, implementation will be there, त्याच्यानंतर how to maintain it will be there. ह्या सगळ्या स्टेजेस आहेत. त्याच्या आधी there is a probing stage in the beginning when they talk.
Right.
Throughout this stage, I have now, as we are probably more than halfway or closer to the end, I am now realizing that there was a sequence to the way things were unfolded to us, and that was a very correct thing to do. Because तुम्ही डिरेक्टली एक की कोणाला सांगितली तर त्याचं इम्पॅक्ट असा होत नाही, or if something directly to somebody, it is not of value to that person. I like the way Bets has unfolded the entire subject to us while taking us through it, while making us think. कधी कधी असं थोडं थोडं वाटायचं that खरंच आपण ह्याच्यावरती एवढा वेळ स्पेंड करतोय, तो करायला पाहिजे का? As we have gone ahead, we have understood the meaning later also. And lastly, I would just want to say that just after the lockdown right now, the finance session that was taken by the team, that has given us immense perspective about this entire activity that has been done for 8 months. Now we are going back and thinking about everything that we have done all this while from a different point of view. We like it, and somehow because of the way Baba is, we really value people, we really value nature of people, and you just feel it from day one that we have interacted with Gunesh sir and Vagnikar sir. We have always felt that these are good people. For us it matters, for some people it might not matter, but I guess the kind of people that we are in our company, it really matters to us, and that one feeling has always been there. And it has gone on, so we are happy with whatever.
Wow, mast. Well, thank you so much.